Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are well and safe. Cambridge International School Daswa has taken the initiative to reach out every child at this time of difficulty, like the virus is spreading all over the world, COVID-19 pandemic. Sitting at home and learning from home is little difficult. Don't feel sad. Cambridge International School Daswa is here to help you out for learning. Myself Rita from Cambridge International School Daswa, and today I am going to teach you grade 10 history portion and chapter nationalism in India, which we have started earlier. So today we will do 2-3 questions from page number 56 and 57 as well. Before going further, first of all, there is a time for recapitulation. So because this topic is linked with the previous one, so I will recap all the content which we have done earlier. So firstly, we have done here the effect of First World War. Then later we have done Satyagraha movement, because 1915 Gandhiji returned in India and he lost Satyagraha movement in those three places: Champaran, Bihar, Khera, Gujarat and Ahmedabad. Because these stations you have to learn and revise, because we will fill all these three places in the map. Then further we have done Rowlatt Act, then Jallianwala Bagh, and now today we are going to do NCM, non-cooperation movement. The same topic you will get from page number 56 and 57. The topics I am going to teach you today. So the question I am going to teach here: mention the stages on which non-cooperation movement was unfolded. So first of all, make one thing clear. Answer: movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, actually Mahatma Gandhi ji has written his book is in 1909. Actually he has written in this book, the name of the book was Hind Swaraj. Your 1 mark answer. Hind Swaraj. In this book he has written one important thing. Actually he declared that only British rule is developing in India because of Indian people only. If we will not cooperate with the Britishers, then this British rule would collapse within 1 year only. It means this rule is flourishing only because we are cooperating. If we will not cooperate, British rule will collapse within a year. So the next step Gandhiji has taken out that there should be non-cooperation movement, means not to cooperate with the Britishers. So he wanted to unfold the movement in different stages. So now this is my first question today: how many stages and which kind of stages are there for non-cooperation movement, not to cooperate with the Britishers? This is 1 mark answer. 1 mark answer. You please note down and please underline all the important lines which I am telling you. Please underline all the important lines in your book or highlight the keywords you have to learn, because 1 mark answers will be there, map question will be there, picture based question will be there, MCQs, objective type questions will be there. So this lesson is very important for you. Make all the questions underline, all the key terms highlight please. Fine. So this is the first question that we are doing. The question is stages. So now I am going to tell you how many stages and which kinds of stages were there launched by the movement launched by Mahatma Gandhi. Yes, the movement was non-cooperation movement. Now stages. You have to write this question in heading. This is the tip of the day, you can suppose. Heading, then explanation, then heading, then explanation, then heading, then explanation. This question is important for 1 mark, 3 mark and 5 marks as well. So different stages. I am going to draw a flow like chart which could be easy and interesting for you to understand. Main program of non-cooperation movement, NCM. Understand? Now the first stage was, शुरुआत उन्होंने कहां से की थी? Surrender all the titles. सरेंडर ऑल द टाइटल्स जो भी मिले थे ब्रिटिशर्स को, इंडियंस को थ्रू ब्रिटिशर्स. सरेंडर ऑल द टाइटल्स. We will not cooperate with the Britishers. The next stage was remove their children from from all the government schools and colleges, even their official controlled school, from official controlled school, S school. Next stage was because the main motive was to not cooperate with the Britishers. So next stage which was unfolded by Mahatma Gandhi, refusal to attend official and non-official functions. Refusal to attend functions. Functions, here you will describe officials and non-officials. Both functions they will not do, will not participate. Next stage, which was the next stage which was unfolded, refused to be part of military. Refused to be part of military. आर्मी में नहीं जाएंगे उनकी. Automatically there will be no unity and no much powerful in the Britishers army, because all the Britishers army was powerful only because the Indian people. So when we will refuse all the British government not to participate, their all the rule and their power could be become at a half level, means that 50% will be down because if we will not cooperate. Fine. So these were the stages. So they were not last I explained to, refused to be a part of military and boycott of Britishers goods and legislative assembly. Can I add here, my dear students? No election. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can describe any 6 or you can describe any 5. Heading, then explanation. This was the stages unfolded by Mahatma Gandhi for non-cooperation movement. I am telling you once again, main program of non-cooperation movement was surrender of the titles, then remove children from the officials, government official schools and colleges, then refusal to attend any function, official and non-official, then refuse to be part of military, and last, no election. We will not participate in any kind of elections which could be held by a British government. So this was the main legislative assembly के election थे तब, तो मद्रास से participate किया था, that I will tell you later on. But other areas there will be no, because हमें boycott करना है तो we will not touch their things, we will not take their titles, we will not cooperate with them, we will not purchase all the Britishers good. So these type of stages were there to unfold non-cooperation movement. इससे बहुत फर्क पड़ा, इसका effect पड़ा. Fine. So Gandhiji described in his book, and these type of stages unfold. This is my first question that we have done today. Now further I am telling you what happened when Gandhiji planned to launch. Second question will be, when Gandhiji planned to launch the non-cooperation movement. Fine. So there was sometime you can say there were clashes between the Congress people, because people were thinking that if the government, in case the government, because all these steps they are taking out and this will definitely affect British army and British government, and in anger, if British government would be taken brutal steps, क्योंकि वो चुप तो बैठेंगे नहीं. फाइन, बिकॉज उनकी इकोनॉमी पे भी फर्क पड़ेगा, वो चुप तो बैठेंगे नहीं. तो गांधीजी was decided that if there will be any kind of brutal steps taken by the British government, then what would they do? They will launch civil disobedience movement. Disobey करेंगे but civil तरीके से. So they will launch civil disobedience movement in a peaceful way. So this was the decision taken by Mahatma Gandhi. But many more people were there, those who were reluctant to boycott the elections for जो होने थे. कब होने थे my dear? वो होने थे नवंबर 1920 में होने थे. But people were, many of the people were thinking कि election का boycott नहीं होना चाहिए, but others were reluctant to do it. So they found that there will be violence हो जाएगी. So गांधी जी ने अभी ये प्रोग्राम थोड़ा डिले कर दिया, because he want to adopt only non-violent path. So finally जो सितंबर में, because one more thing to tell you here, in सितंबर से लेकर दिसंबर में ना, there was big tussle between Congress leaders. सो वो सारा टाइम दिसंबर तक ऐसे ही चला गया. 1920 में ये लॉन्च होना था, बट वो दिसंबर तक पूरा टाइम टसल में चला गया कांग्रेस के लीडर्स में एंड अदर पीपल. सम ऑफ द पीपल वर इन फेवर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेटिंग द इलेक्शंस, अदर वर रिफ्यूज टू डू दिस. सो पूरा ये टसल में चलता रहा एंड दे फाउंड दैट देयर विल बी वायलेंस. सो फाइनली एट द कांग्रेस सेशन नागपुर, नोट इट डाउन माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नागपुर 1920 में हुआ था कांग्रेस सेशन. बिकॉज दिस सेशन, दिस प्लेस, दिस स्टेशन वी विल फिल इन मैप. नवंबर 1920 में कांग्रेस सेशन हुआ था एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस सेशन, नागपुर 1920, and according to this session there would be non-cooperation movement was launched. Here you can add December because there will be confusion between September 1920 or December 1920. September 1920 Calcutta and December 1920 Nagpur. According to this session, then Congress passed one issue that there will be non-cooperation movement. So finally December तक ये हो गया and January में 1921 launched. Non-cooperation movement was launched. बहुत सोच के ये मूवमेंट लॉन्च की गई थी that it should be positive effect that our economy and our India could be survived. This is another topic that we have discussed. Now we are going to do third question. Fine. The third question is, this question is also very very important. Even this question carry 3 parts. But individually this question can come for 3 marks or 5 marks as well. Okay, but you have to prepare for both 5 marks or 3 marks. And the question is, now we are going to do the major question here, and the question is, this will be our second question. Fine. How middle class people, very very important question, how middle class people participated in non-cooperation movement. मिडिल क्लास पीपल ने कैसे पार्टिसिपेट किया? 2 years before this question appeared in board exam grade 10. Answer, I am giving you 5 points here. Little this question is related to non-cooperation movement, all the programs that we have done. Fine. So here first point, I am telling you each and every heading with elaborate explanation. Now first step middle class ने क्या किया? In cities, it was happened in cities. They boycotted all the things, all the foreign goods. Second, they students, even students left the schools, left government schools. Government मतलब British government के थे. Schools and colleges. Boycott कर दिया उनका. Third steps, headmasters and teachers resign from the post. उन्होंने अपनी जॉब से रिजाइन कर दिया. Now fourth steps they have taken out, lawyers gave up their legal practice. Lawyers gave up their legal practice. इसका बहुत फर्क पड़ा. And last step they have taken out council election, not to participate. Not to participate in election. अच्छा बेटा listen. Except मद्रास, मद्रास में हो गए थे. मद्रास में वहां थी जस्टिस पार्टी. फाइन. तो जस्टिस पार्टी ने वहां पर इलेक्शन कर लिए थे. बट अदर पीपल refused to participate in those elections because they were thinking that if we are not cooperating with the Britishers, then what is the fun of having participation in elections? But in Madras, people were thinking, those belong to Brahman category, they were thinking that while participation, then we could be winner. After winning the elections, we could be enter in the administration and check the functioning, और अपने लिए कुछ कर पाएंगे. उनका ये तरीका था. तो एक्सेप्ट मद्रास, माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, योर 1 mark आंसर ध्यान में रखना. मद्रास के अलावा और कहीं लेजिस्लेटिव के इलेक्शंस नहीं हुए थे. सो दीज वर द 5 टॉपिक्स दैट वी हैव डन. लाइक हाउ मिडिल क्लास पार्टिसिपेटेड इन सिटीज, बायकॉट मूवमेंट होगी थी क्योंकि सिटीज में सबसे पहले शुरू हुआ. Students left the government schools and colleges. Headmasters and teachers resigned from their jobs. Lawyers gave up their legal practice and not to participate election except मद्रास जहाँ पर जस्टिस पार्टी थी, सिर्फ वहीं पर इलेक्शन हुए थे. So these were the topics that we have done today. Okay, we have done 3 topics, but among those 3 you will write 2 questions. First question that I taught you the different stages, unfold the stages of non-cooperation movement. लेकिन उससे पहले वो महात्मा गांधी की हिंद स्वराज बुक वाली you have to write 2-3 lines और 1909 में लॉन्च की थी और उसमें उन्होंने क्या कहा था. I hope you remember. उन्होंने इसमें कहा था that only British rule is flourishing because we Indian people are cooperating. If we Indian people will not cooperate with the British government, the whole British rule would be collapsed within a year only. So he launched non-cooperation movement, and then we have discussed those 5 points non-cooperation movement. Then वो paragraph clashes and tussles between Congress leaders दिसंबर तक रहा. Then वो दिसंबर 1920 में हुआ. Finally जनवरी 1920 में कांग्रेस non-cooperation movement launch हुआ. Then further, this is the participation by middle class people. Now 2 questions more related. कि middle class people ने participate किया, how businessmen people participated, how women participated, how farmer participated. But those 3 topics we will do in our next video. Today you will write 2 questions only: stages, unfold stages, and this question, how middle class participated. And one more very very important thing: number of few pictures are just printed on the related topic. See figure 4, the boycott of foreign clothes, July 1922. ये पूरी picture you have to observe very carefully, and even you have to do the green box, those key terms also. This is for the day today. My dear students, before finishing this video, let me announce one more thing to you. Many students are complaining that federalism's first part is missing in all the videos that which we are uploading on Facebook page, Cambridge Facebook page. Yes, due to some technological problem, technological issue, those videos were not played. So don't worry. My first video, federalism, in which I taught 5 features of federalism, that has been uploaded from Monday, and you can enjoy that video. 5 features, because that is the first question from the chapter, very very important, and that was posted on 16 April, my dear students. So you people were complaining and directly you were calling me कि मैम वो वीडियो मिस हो गई, तो I have uploaded that one also. 16 की थी वो वीडियो, please enjoy. But that is from civics, federalism. Otherwise this topic will be going side by side. ठीक है, तो your demand मैंने वो कर दिया, because in your PTs you also have to prepare for your exams. So please enjoy that video as well as this video also. And anytime if you have any doubt or you have any queries, any question in your mind, let me know, and I'm here to help you out. Fine. Thanks to this school, this prestigious institution, Cambridge International School, Dasua, who is going to help you out at this difficult time. Thank you very much. We will meet with the next video soon. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much.